Today I'm going to introduce this. This is the new and latest magnetic wireless portable charger from VRURC. This is a 10,000 milliamp Henry power bank with a finger holder wireless power bank for iPhone. 7.5 watts wireless charging, magnetic battery compatible for new and latest iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. So the wireless charging mode is 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watts, or 15 watts. Depends on the model of your phone that support the wireless charging. And it comes with a strong magnetic attachment. So the magnetic attachment, it is compatible with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series. And with the USB port that will support up to 22.5 watts fast charging. But make sure you have a fast charging cable. So I'd like to give a shout out to Echo from their marketing team for sending me this. And be sure to check out the affiliate link so you get a special price with the, make sure you click on coupon code before you check out so you get an awesome deal with it. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here it is, 10,000 milliamp Henry magnetic power bank. And this is the model number right here, T1151. So they have two different color, white or black. This one is the black color. And this is made in China. So it comes with a carrying case. This is pretty nice with their branding label right here, VRURC. Pretty nice. So these two are the input right here. This is a USB Type-C, and right here is the lightning charging port. And this is the regular USB Type-A. So right here is the magnetic wireless charging right here. So this is a one-time application. To measure the backing of your iPhone 12 or iPhone 13. So this is the magnetic ring right here. And then you will need to measure it and peel this double-sided sticker off and put it on the back of your iPhone. Okay, so once you stick it on, there's a blue film right here. You're gonna take it out, and all you need to do is just put it on the back of the iPhone. Wow, that is strong. So it'd be something like this, okay? And then this is the ring for your finger. You're gonna peel this off and then stick it on the back here. And let's see. Oh, cool. So this thing allows you to rotate 360 degrees. So it's a finger ring. And then you could also use this as a kickstand. Okay? Oh, it is so strong. I can't even take it out. Let me slide off. Oh my god. There you go. So yeah, it is pretty strong. Let me get my wife iPhone and test out real quick. Alright, so this is her iPhone 13 Pro Max. There you go. As you can see, it's showing it's charging, okay? So let me ask my wife if she wanted to put the ring on there. Because I better ask her for permission before I put this on anyway. But anyway, just for demonstration purpose, it is working fine. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And be sure to check out the link on the description so you could check out this awesome charger. Because every time when I'm using the Qi wireless charger for my Samsung, and I constantly have to hold it two together, you know, and this will prevent from it shift off the charger, so it's not charging your phone correctly. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.